Welcome back to my blissful home. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I make chicken wings in my air fryer. I've been having my air fryer for the past 3 weeks already and I absolutely love it. I'm going to go over with you with the list of ingredients, but first I'm going to tell you guys that I'm going to pressure cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes before I use the air fry. So let me go over with you guys the list of ingredients. We're gonna get started now assembling our chicken. I have pre-washed here my chicken wings and my chicken drums. So here are my spices I'm using. I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Also, I'm using vinegar. I'm gonna sprinkle some vinegar on my chicken first and then I add the spices. So after I added my vinegar, I dropped in my seasoning. Then I gave everything a good mix. So everything looks ready to go. Now it's time to put this in my pressure cooker. Cooking this with my pressure cooker for 15 minutes first. I like to do this just so my chicken wings in the inside can be nice and cooked and moist. I like to have my chicken wings soft in the inside. Okay, I'm releasing the pressure now. Can you see all the pressure that it makes? I love this Ninja. Chicken wings are done being pressure cooked. Now is the time that I make sure that it cooked the way I want it to. This is exactly how I want my chicken wings to come out. Soft, really soft, squishy. Now it's time to fry. Now I'm going to switch my settings to air crisp and I'm going to have it at 390 for 20 minutes. Next, I'm going to be making my sweet and sour chicken wing sauce. I'm using half a stick of butter. I'm going to melt that. I'm going to toss in my buffalo sauce now. And I used about half a bottle of my Frank's Red Hot Wings sauce. Okay. Now brown sugar. If you want your buffalo sauce sweet and sour, you're going to definitely need some brown sugar or honey. Lower the heat. I'm gonna let this simmer till everything's all melted. And it's gonna get a little bit darker, the color, from the brown sugar. Okay, it's like halfway through cooking. So my chicken wings look so far. I'm gonna close it so it can finish cooking. I think I'm gonna turn up the heat just a little bit so they can be extra crispy. Okay, this is how you guys want your sauce to look. So good. It's not too hot. The sugar kicked in it and it knocked down some of the heat. So good. Okay, so we have just a little under 8 more minutes to go, but it's already starting to look good. And this, my friends, is what I call chicken wing perfection. Crispy, soft on the inside, spicy but not too much because we added the brown sugar. This is one of my family's favorite recipes I make for them. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for cooking with me. Until next time.